Curvilinear masks. Part 4. Welcome to Part 4 of our Curvilinear mask series, where we transition from simulating light to the ultimate challenge of generating and optimizing a manufacturable mask. To create these advanced geometries, we run our DeepONet forward model in reverse, using gradient backpropagation to minimize the error between the simulated aerial image and the target design. However, because this is an ill-posed mathematical problem with infinite solutions, relying on simple gradient tracing alone results in highly potent but physically unmanufacturable masks filled with fragmented pixel dust. To solve this optimization paradox, we pair our physics gradients with intelligent clustering techniques and geometric regularizations that force the chaotic output into solid, manufacturable structures. Beyond merely resolving localized hotspots, the most significant derivative of this advanced curvilinear optimization is a tremendous improvement in depth of focus, DOF. Expanding the process window through optimized sub-resolution assist features, SRAFs, guarantees massive process stability, minimizing the impact of lithography tool variations and maximizing wafer yield. We prove this by unleashing our physically constrained engine on one of the fab's most notorious failure points, a tip-to-tip gap that typically suffers from severe line-in pullback and open circuits. The engine intelligently deployed strategic SRAF blocks to manipulate the diffraction orders, pushing the light exactly to the target boundaries and perfectly resolving the gap without bridging. We have successfully built a DeepONet-driven, physically constrained optimization engine capable of resolving severe hotspots and improving DOF. Though translating these results into guaranteed mask manufacturability is a challenge we are eager to tackle through collaboration. As we continue pushing the boundaries of computational lithography, we are actively seeking collaboration with research entities, foundries, and organizations interested in integrating or acquiring this state-of-the-art solution. Thank you for attention.